What item shall I use to take off my second nail? Do. There's my last victim. I remember you from a few months ago. And now it's your turn. This one? Nah. This one? Nah. This one? Oh, nah, not that one either. How about this one? Yes. Yes. Here it goes, you little fucker. You little fuck. You little fucking prick, get off there. Get off, you fucking shit. That fucking hurts. Oh shit, fuck. Stuck. Get off. Fucking prick. Fucking, have that, you prick. Have that, you fucking little shit. Get off there. Get up. Come on. Get up. Come on. Ah! Oh, you fucking Jew bag. And then there was two. Hello. What's your name? My name's First Little Toenail. My name's Second Toenail, but I'm bigger than you. Yeah, okay. And that's the end of today's event. Hello, Toe. Hello. Are you hungry?